excuse the mess, but we have been cleaning. I'm actually at the new house right now. I'm gonna give you guys an empty house tour since we're here. I got my key this morning. I closed yesterday, but everything needed to be disinfected and cleaned out. I mean, there wasn't like stuff left behind like that, but it was really dusty. The house has been vacant for about 6 months now. So keep in mind there are some things I want to do. The walls are going to be painted a different color. I'm going to do gray, but I'm not going to do a lot of talking. We're actually really tired. I came here straight from work so we could start cleaning, and the kids are hungry. You can probably hear Chloe jumping like crazy off the dining area because it's like, and you're going to hear a lot of echoing just because it's empty right now. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the place. So I hope you like it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And I'm so excited to make this our home. So I don't know if I'll be showing the outside of the house, but when you come in, it has these pretty wood floors. I really like that majority of the house is hardwood flooring, with the exception of the bedrooms. This light fixture came with the home, and I actually kind of like the vibes it's giving me, so I'm going to keep it. But that is in the main foyer when you come in the front door, and here is the little terror herself. So coming on down, we have the coat closet. I've disinfected all the handles and doorknobs. Just a standard size coat closet. Try not to get my mom in here. This mirror belonged to the prior owner along with the 2 sconces. Sconces are going to come down. For now, I may keep the mirror there. Probably going to put a small table right here. Yeah. This goes out to the garage. Nothing real fancy here. It's just a 1-car garage. She did have some cleaning stuff and a ladder down there already, which was really nice. And she clearly liked butterflies just as much as I do. All right, come on, let me lock the door back. She also had these cool little night lights in the halls and in the bathrooms. I'm gonna keep it especially for Chloe. But anyways, stepping down from the main level, you step down into the den area, and I really like that. I just gotta get some screws to put the fireplace door back on. I don't want to turn the light on, you guys, just because it's so warm in here from moving around, even though the AC is on. And you can't probably tell from this video, but the walls are, let me just turn the light on really quick. All right, so the walls are not quite a lime color, but they're like a soft green. But there's definitely some areas with like furniture marks on it, paint chipped. I'm gonna do this all a very soft gray, but also, like I said, in here again, hardwood floors in the living area. So you come through here, and then it steps back up into the dining area, which is perfect because we have a small dining set. We probably never will have anything like a formal set. Most people don't do that now anyway, but the only thing we're gonna put in here is gonna be the china cabinet, our dining set. I'm trying to figure out why this light's not turning on. I don't know where the switch is. I tried all the switches and I don't know what's up, but yeah. I'll come back and show you the kitchen. Oh, I forgot one thing. So outside my side door, I have a nice little deck area. They did have railings on it, but the prior owner took it down. I'm not sure why. I saw pictures of it before they were taken down. It was actually really cute. So this is gonna be nice to sit out on a nice sunny day with the kids. My mom is working on the kitchen, cleaning out the fridge and stuff, but it's just a straight kitchen, basic kitchen, nothing special. Project down the road will be to change and update these countertops. Stove is actually brand new. It still has the tape on it, as you can see down here. So that's brand new. Everything else is pretty good. Coming down the hallway. It actually came with a pretty new washer and dryer set. belonging to the original owner as well, but I tested everything out, cleaned it out, it works. I did a wash cycle through it to make sure everything was clean and good to go, so winning. And then the first room to the left is Crystianna's room. It has these blue walls. I think we're gonna keep it because I think he likes it. Don't you, Crystianna? Ceiling fans. I like the windows, which you can see out onto the front porch, which is nice. I like that we have 2 areas to sit in. And he has his little closet here. Sorry for the lagging, you guys. I'm like kind of rushing this, and you know, we're tired. This is Chloe's room. I really like the ceiling fans, how they have like the lights up there. They almost look like little hearts in the ceiling from here. And again, nice window view. Her closet doors are the double sliding doors like this. You guys know what a closet looks like, nothing fancy. Yeah, it's yours. Come on. And we just have a linen closet here at the end of the hall. This is the first bathroom. Oops, wrong switch. I actually finished cleaning this out. My mom swept the floors. Yeah, Chloe, that's Crystianna's room. Just your standard stuff, but it's nice and clean. She had these shelves in the bathroom, so my mom doesn't really like them, but I might leave mine in my room because I don't mind it. It doesn't look too bad. And here's another little night light she had in this bathroom. I'm gonna leave it there, like I said, for Chloe, since that's her bathroom. And last but not least is my room. So my room has gray walls. All the carpet in the bedrooms is new. I'm going to try to match this gray throughout the rest of the house, with the exception of Crystianna's room. I might do gray in Chloe's room too. I'm not sure because I don't really like that orange in the paint. I thought it was more pink, like it's really orangey peach. So even though I have my own vanity set, I do like the fact that my bathroom has this vanity here, which is really nice. Nice and bright. I just finished cleaning out all of this. My closet is over here, just a walk-in closet with some shelving and whatnot. And then my bathroom. And like I said, the little white shelf up there, I think it's kind of cute, so I'm gonna keep it there for now anyway. That's that. Are you ready to go, bad girl?
Oh, yeah.
The first thing I did when I got here was I put a lock on the crawl space. But yeah, you guys, I know this was kind of like a rushed empty home tour, but that is it. This is the house. We've got a lot to do this weekend, so stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Perfect.